Hi everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and we bring you weekly tutorials every week.
Yeah,
so
it's every week.
It's every week, yeah. And so if you like what we do, please subscribe. You haven't seen this video yet. I have a feeling you're gonna like it. And if you like it, please click on the like. And I think you know that you can also turn on those notifications so that you get a message every time we post something new. Although we always do it on Sundays at 6 p.m. Central European time. Anyway,
yes.
Today we have one of Arne's educational videos. As many of you know, Arne has actually worked as a professor in design, or actually a teacher in design. A lecturer, actually, we should say, because it was in high education.
Was a different life.
It's a lecturer in a different life, and so he's used to teaching a lot of things. And today Arne has done these really great illustrations that we've got here, and we're going to be talking a little bit about the different stitches that we usually like to increase on.
Yeah, and I brought my educational needles.
Exactly, because he's such an educational kind of person.
Yeah, because I'm going to keep this now. So every time we do something like show how to decrease or something, I will bring this one. So this will be a long tube after a while.
That's great. And where did you get those needles?
From the stash.
Oh, okay. That's the answer when you don't remember where you bought them. They're from the stash.
Yeah. So what we're going to tell you today is like, when we talk about stitches, we always call the stitch on the needle the daughter. The stitch under, we call the stitch the mother. And then the grandmother and the great-grandmother, and you can go all the way down. You can have the whole family tree.
Your whole family tree, all the generations.
All the generations.
Down the family tree. And these illustrations, Arne has done them. And if you want to have a close look at them and you're not satisfied with the look that you're getting here on the video, we are going to be posting them on our blog. They're going to have a big watermark stamp though with the copyright thing because
we don't want to see them on Pinterest.
Exactly. These are our original drawings, so we do need to protect them.
I think we had it with Pinterest.
Yeah, but anyway, you will be able to see them closely there.
So, let's talk about the daughter. So, this is the needle, and you see the daughter has her legs around the stitch. So that's the one on the needle. So when you knit the white one now, so you see every time I knit the white stitch, that's the daughter. So the latest stitch is the daughter. And now I will knit all this round, and then I put a new color, so then you can see what I'm talking about. And then we will show you some increasing.
Mm-hmm. And then we'll talk about how the mother and the grandmother and all the other ancestors, how they fit into this equation.
Yeah, because sometimes when we increase, or normally we increase in the mother's leg, but sometimes you have to go down to the grandmother. And we will show you how, and we will tell you why. So one more of the daughters. There will be a lot of loose ends on this one. So maybe we can make something from this later, because this is the wash and fills it from Schackenmeier. So maybe we can just put it in the washing machine and it comes out like something you can put on your garden tool, or I don't know. Could be interesting to see what it ends up like. So that's the daughters.
Yep, there we go.
So let me put red maybe for the mother.
The mother.
Or the new daughter.
No, it's the mother.
No, it's a new daughter.
Oh, so then the red one, the white one now becomes the mother.
No, the white one becomes the mother. So
I
see now, oh, there's a new daughter. We just gave birth to a new stitch.
Ah.
So now the white one goes one down, and that's now what we call the mother.
The white one has just given birth to her first kid, or her first stitch.
Or like a lot of kids.
Just keep going. But what are you getting to the increasing part?
When I have the next round with daughters. Because I will show you how to increase in mother and grandmother. So, but I can use the green as the grandmother, because you see now the white, the green one, the red one is the daughter because it's on the needle. The white one is the mother, and the green one is the grandmother.
Well, there's a lot of greens. So there's grandmother, great-grandmother, great-great-great,
and so on. It's also got, but you don't increase way down here.
Only below.
Only
below the grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I will show you how to increase. And normally we increase in the leg, on the mother stitch, and we call these two stitches or yarns, that's what we call the legs. It's the same like on the drawing. You see the daughter on this one, her legs is around the stitch, the needle, sorry. And you see, this is the mother. So normally we increase in this leg. So when you knit like this, you can lift it up on the needle, or you can go directly into the stitch and pull it through. So you make a new stitch from the leg on the mother on the left side. But sometimes, like when you do a mitten, we don't do it like that, because if you look at this mitten, on the gusset for the thumb, we like to have this nice line on the outside, because normally a lot of mittens, they have this outline in another color. But if you knit that way, you will, in the mother's leg, on both sides, you will pull the yarn up and it will make a very bad line. It is like hva kaller det når det blir slik hakkete?
It will be messy.
It's a very messy line.
Yeah.
So the first, on the left side, you will go like I did in the mother's leg, but on the other side, you go down to the grandmother's leg. So you use the needle on the left side and you just lift it up, and then you knit in the leg like this. So you go back and increase in the grandmother's leg.
And then they will point
because
in opposite directions.
And you will pull the right color if the mitten has a dark color, for example, on the outline of the gusset, you will pull the right color so you don't have that messy line.
That sounds like a good thing.
But you see, if you go into the mother and you increase in the mother, that's not nice.
No.
It looks like really messy. So you can't go back and increase in the mother's leg. You have to go back and increase in the grandmother's leg, which is this one, the green one. But it's easier to take it with the left side needle and knit like this. So this is how we increase in the legs, and we call the stitches the mother, the daughter, and the grandmother.
And the grandmother.
And if you go to our blog, you will see the pictures, as Carlos told you.
Yes. So this is today's lesson, how to increase on the different stitches. And, you know, it's all of Arne's. Did you make this all up in your head?
No, maybe I heard it somewhere. I don't know.
You don't know. But anyway, the drawings for sure are yours.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I guess this is it.
That's it
for this week's tutorial. Now you know a little bit more about the way we increase. And thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe.
And when you increase this way, there will be no hole in your knitting.
That's true.
That's another good one.
That's a great one. So, thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Bye.
Bye.